Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about high-speed disc maintenance and cultivator maintenance. As the weather warms up, everybody's starting to drag stuff out of the weeds and get ready to go to incorporate manure or get some fields prepped for seeding. So what we're suggesting is get that stuff pulled out, lower it down on the ground. First thing, check your wheel bearings. A lot of times those get neglected. So jack your wheels up, wiggle them, make sure the bearings are tight. If you've got grease nipples on those hubs, give them some grease. While you're greasing them, make sure you turn them so that you're distributing that grease around the bearing rather than just squirting it in one spot. Make sure you check your wheel seals. Wheel seals a lot of times will get twine wrapped into them or a piece of wire and it destroys the seal. It's a cheap repair to pull everything apart and replace a seal versus having to do the hub and the axle and the bearings later on. So give those a check. Give your disc pans a measure to make sure that they're still big enough to do the job. Each bearing on your high-speed disc, spin them. You can usually feel if they're starting to get rough. A lot of them run a sealed bearing, so if they're starting to get rough or they're starting to get loose, you may be able to use a grease needle on them if you know how to do that properly. If not, you should just look at replacing those ones before the discs fall off in the field. Give your hardware a check. Grease your other grease nipples on your hinge points if you have them. Just give it a good once over so that when you go to the field, you basically have trouble-free days. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.